Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer money from your BBVA account to Revolut without paying any fees in 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your BBVA or PNC online banking. If you're in the US and your BBVA account was migrated to PNC, log in to PNC mobile banking. Otherwise, use the BBVA app or website if you're in Spain or other regions. Step 2. Add your Revolut account as a beneficiary. Open the Revolut app and go to Accounts, EUR or USD. Tap Details to view your IBAN and BIC SWIFT code. In BBVA PNC, choose to add a new recipient or external account and enter your Revolut banking details. Step 3. Choose the transfer type. For domestic transfers, e.g. Spain, select SEPA transfer for EUR. These are usually free. For international transfers, choose SWIFT, but beware of fees. Tip: to avoid international fees, link your Revolut account to PayPal or Wise and route funds that way, often cheaper. Step 4. Enter amount and confirm. Input the amount to send and choose Standard Transfer. Review all details carefully and confirm the transaction. Transfers within the same currency usually arrive within 1 to 2 business days. Fee tip: sending UR via SEPA from BBVA in Spain to Revolut is free. For USD transfers in the US, use H instead of wire. It's cheaper or free depending on your BBVA PNC account type. That's it. You've successfully sent money from BBVA to Revolut with no fees in 2025. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.